Isn't it essential in any prelude to a war to be sure of your allies and to be sure of the objectives? Isn't it a fact that Turkey has been buying oil from Isil? They use Turkish trucks to store it. They've been bombing the Kurds, and the Kurds are fighting ISIL. They shot down a Russian jet, even though Russia is wanting to fight ISIL. He has got an objective to get rid of Assad. A Russian ally has got the opposite objective. What a crazy war. Enemies to the right of us, enemies to the left of it. Keep out.
Well, the one thing I do agree with the honourable gentleman about is we should be clear about our allies and our objectives. And our allies include not just the United States of America and France, but they also include Gulf states and others in the region who are all now coming together in an alliance to get rid of ISIL. We also need to be clear about our objectives, and that is the military targets that I spoke about, but also the deflating and destruction of this caliphate that is such a risk to our world. As for Turkey and oil smuggling, they have taken action to try and stop the smuggling across their border, confiscating the oil, taking forward prosecutions and trying to seal their border. Should they do more? Yes, of course they should do more, and that is very much part of our strategy.